10 clever gardening hacks with baking soda. Did you know that baking soda isn't just for baking? It's a gardener's secret weapon. Here are 10 clever ways to use baking soda in your garden. Number 1. Natural fungicide. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with water and a few drops of liquid soap. Spray it on plants to combat fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Your plants will thank you. Number 2. Weed killer. Tired of stubborn weeds? Sprinkle baking soda directly on them and watch them wither away, all without harming your other plants. Number 3. Pest deterrent. Mix baking soda and flour, then dust it over plants to keep cabbage worms and aphids at bay. Say goodbye to unwanted garden guests. Number 4. Soil amendment. If your soil is too acidic, baking soda can help balance it out, making it a better home for your plants. Number 5. Tomato sweetener. Sprinkle baking soda around your tomato plants to reduce soil acidity and grow sweeter, more delicious tomatoes. Number 6. Compost enhancer. Speed up composting by making it more alkaline with a little baking soda. Faster decomposition, richer compost. Number 7. Odor absorber. Bad smells from compost bins? A sprinkle of baking soda helps neutralize odors instantly. Number 8. Tool cleaner. Mix baking soda with water to form a paste, then scrub your gardening tools. Say goodbye to rust and dirt. Number 9. Seed germination. Soak seeds in a mild baking soda solution before planting. This helps them sprout faster and healthier. And finally, number 10, ant repellent. Create a barrier of baking soda around plants or along ant trails to keep them away. No chemicals needed. With just a simple ingredient from your kitchen, you can transform your garden. Try these baking soda hacks today and enjoy a healthier, happier garden.